Hello everyone. So ChatGPT just got a new feature which is called group chat. So if you go to the right corner, you can see there's an option of start a group chat with profile icon. So if you open the ChatGPT app in your PC or on your mobile application, you can use that. Go to the right corner, and if you just click on it, you will have a start group chat on your application, also in the mobile version if you use. So if I just click on start group chat here, this will create a group chat just like any other messenger or any other social media messenger that you use. So you can copy link to invite people. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this, like if we invite with link. So if I just go to another account of my browser and paste the link here, you can share the link in many other social media like WhatsApp Messenger, and they can join, just like they will have this option. So they can join group chat. Click on this and my other account will be joined in the main account. So as you can see, I've joined with the group chat. So if I go to my main account, as you can see, SGSG joined the group chat, which is the other account that I have invited. So if you go to the new group chat option, here's the settings option. You can see how many people are here. You can also remove people from group like this, and you can add also. And there's manage group link, like you can reset the link and rename group. You can also have a rename of your group chat. And here's the customized ChatGPT. So you can give personality or any other preference that you use, like or inside jokes, like you control your friend or make any other discussion or make decision for your chats. You can custom instruction, give custom instruction, and respond automatically. Mean ChatGPT will respond to new message automatically. So I'll just use the default here and click cancel. And also you can delete chat or leave group if you want to. So if I just say hi here, and this will also include ChatGPT, like ChatGPT will also give answer to this, and my friend or the other account will see this. As you can see, the other account that I've added also can see the message here. So if I say hi again, and ChatGPT also will respond to this message and give an answer. And in my main account, I can also see just like a messenger or any other message app that you use, but with ChatGPT. So if you want to turn off ChatGPT for conversation, you can do that. Go to the customized ChatGPT and turn off, please save. Now you can chat with your friend and ask anything with ChatGPT when you want to, like tap add, ask anything ChatGPT. So I just started a discussion here with ChatGPT how LLM works. Me and my both friends or many other people that are included in this group ChatGPT, they will also see the answer here, and they can start a conversation with the ChatGPT providing asking or any other answer that ChatGPT is provided here. So this is how you can use the group chat feature within ChatGPT, which is a pretty awesome feature if you tell. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.